Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm in where we used to have a pool. We don't have the pool anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all this tarp out of here. And I don't know when, but hopefully I can make another video of where we're filling it in with rocks, because we want to take that fire pit over there and put it in here and circle chairs around it. So let's get to it. Now I can pick this up and show you the whole thing. I mean, that's what was left of the tarp. But yeah, this is that whole pit. Oh hey, there's a frog. That's cool. But yeah, this is that whole pit, and that's just a bunch of grass and dirt that had grown. But yeah, if you have any suggestions on how to get some of the water out of here, or, you know, should I just let it dry in the sun? Will that even do it? I'm not sure. But, so yeah. Leave in the comments if you have any suggestions on how to get all the water out of here. And yeah, keep subscribing, keep that up. I want to eventually hit 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, thanks for all the support.